What's going on, everybody? Here to make a video for you today about Drift, a Solana-based perpetuals exchange. Um, so two of the things you're going to need for this video is going to be a VPN. You're going to need some form of VPN to access this, maybe Proton, NordVPN, or whichever one you prefer. You're also going to need a Phantom wallet. Uh, Now, to create a wallet on this exchange, it's going to cost you zero point 0.2 Sol. That's to create the wallet. And then once the wallet's created, you can put your funds into it. Also, know that if you want to create sub accounts, that's also going to cost you zero point 0.2 Sol. So, again, let's go over this real quick. You're going to need a VPN, you're going to need a Phantom wallet or a Soulflare wallet. And then you're going to also need a a deposit of zero point 0.2 to create the wallet on this exchange. So, what I wanted to get into specifically is Drift's BAL program, which is a backstop AMA contract. So, what you're going to do once you get your VPN running and get your Phantom wallet and you make your deposit, you're going to go to more, like BAL. And here you're going to be able to fund different perpetual contracts with up to a 10x leverage, and they are going to automatically open longs and shorts and settle for you, and you'll get a settlement payment. So I've been doing this now for about a month. I started with one Sol at the time, which was only $95. Of course, Sol is up now, but this is what I started with. So it was only one Sol um, total. So that was the zero point 0.2 for the wallet. And then the rest of that was what I put into these contracts. And as you can see here, they'll give you a return. Sol right now is a negative 151.67. For a 7-day return, it's almost 1,000% for 30. Bitcoin right now is up 484% on the 7-day return, but it's down 500% basically on the 30-day. But they also have multiple contracts. Right now, I'm in Link, Render, Pepe, Jupe, and Bonk at the moment. But you can do BNB, Pyth, Matic, uh, GTO, AVAX, Doge, XRP. So once you um, decide on which contracts you want to do, you would click Add Liquidity. It'll open up this. I'm going to skip this. You can go through all this one. Make sure you do check these two boxes, which is just their agreement letting you know that you can get liquidated. So you don't want to go super extreme. It's not going to give you the error here. I'm already in 8 markets, so it won't let me get into any more. But it will tell you your available balance of liquidity. You'll pick your token, and then you have your slider here. So as you can see, it will go to a 10x, which is the whole value of what I have for liquidity right now, but you can come all the way down like to a 5x. So 5 to 10x. I normally do around a 6x, um, just because it's worked better for me so far. I've tried the 10x, got liquidated almost immediately. I tried the 5x, it really didn't make me feel any better about it. So I do about a 6x. Once you do the 6x, it'll tell you how much of your liquidity that they're going to put into the coin. You click I'm aware, add liquidity. Again, I can't add liquidity because I'm already in 8 markets. So you only can do 8 contracts, which honestly isn't 8. It's really only 4. But if it's a long and a short, that's 8. You can also remove the liquidity from your account. So what I want to do is make another video on how I actually use and what coins I jump into to be able to maximize this. But I'll make another video But right now, I wanted to make a video on how to use BAL on Drift and how to get Drift. Uh, Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions or you have any tips on the video. Also, I will leave the link down below for Drift so that way you can get on and start your journey. Again, this is just one part. They have multiple sections. I'll make more videos about it, but right now, this is just their backstop AMA or their BAL contracts. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Until next time, see you guys in next support. Peace.